Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Anna, I am terrible with names, and she just told me I did remember Bobby's name. So Bobby and Anna.
Yeah.
So they're in here window shopping, but they're inside the store. So actually shopping inside the store. And they're looking for something for going long distance, baseball games, traveling. They want to get back to going places. She's very mobile, but long distance is her issue. We went over some stuff. I said, can we just mic you up real quick? Obviously, I showed her the Jazzy Ultralight, which is one of my favorite power chairs on the market, and she likes it. Was it comfortable when you were in it?
Yeah, it was.
This takes time to get used to.
Okay.
You tell it to go right, it goes right.
Yeah.
You tell it to go left, it goes left.
Okay.
You tell it to go right, left, it goes right, left.
Okay.
Forward, back, you can move it around. You're going to have to get used to it. You got to remember these wheels do spin. Okay. So if you're getting up to a threshold and you're starting to turn it, it can be a problem. Go straight. And try to go straight. Get these wheels straight. This is your on button.
Okay.
This is your battery life. 1 red, 2 yellows, 2 greens.
Should it all be green?
Nope. And a lot of people say that. The reason why it's like this, it's you got 2 greens. So when you get out the greens, you got 2 yellows. When you get to that last yellow, you want to make sure you're starting to get closer to a charging. Red is like 20 minutes usually. So don't let it scare you. You will lose a green, 2 greens, then you'll lose some yellows. So it's kind of like a full tank in a car, you know. Yeah, gas meter. This is your speed.
Oh.
At the top's faster.
Okay.
Slower. Now,
my horn when he's in my way.
Probably yell at him.
Okay.
Because all you're going to get is this.
Oh, okay. That's like the back up sound.
Yeah, you can still do that with this.
Oh yeah. I do that
So see how you don't? It's like a gas pedal. If you.
Oh yeah, it's moving slow.
You don't have to push it all the way back.
Oh, okay.
You can get sensitive with it. It's very rare that someone gets the hang of this immediately. Okay. We see, like I told you before, some people do, I think are going to do bad, do very good. I think people are going to do good, do very bad.
Right.
I'll have someone that comes in with their mother or whoever, and their mother's doing awesome, and then they jump on it, and they're like all over the place.
Right. That makes
so,
sense.
Like driving a 0-turn mower too. First time doing it, I was like, my father-in-law was driving my 0-turn. I said, keep it straight. I want straight lines. When people coming over, he was helping me cut. And it was like this. And I was like, oh my gosh. It took me like 3 cuts to get it back. Oh, guess what? If you need to stop, let it go.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you now.
Can I go faster?
If you want to. I prefer you to start slower.
So you don't have to jam it forward, start moving it. Barely pressure for this one.
Yeah, you barely have to move the joystick.
See how good you're doing? First time doing this? This ain't your first time.
No, it is. This is a new.
See, I don't believe her, Louie.
This is a new step for me to be buying one.
It will just, it opens up everything. It really does. If you go to the zoo and you can only go to the zoo for 10 minutes, what's the reason for going? Bobby, this is probably lighter than the manual wheelchair you have.
Yeah, it's almost too heavy for me to pick up.
And you might be able to pick this up. We can try it. How much weight can you pick up?
I don't know. Not much anymore. I'm going to take it around the circle.
I love her shirt and I love her necklace. Bobby, I need to hold your credit card for damages. I'm just joking. Remember to stop, you're going to hit something. She goes out that door and down the sidewalk. I'm holding you as collateral. He might be hard to hold, Louie. That was really good. I'm serious. You really did good. She came around that strut. Perfect. You're better than Louie. Louie tears up everything in here. I don't act like a salesperson. I don't want to be. I just want to make sure I'm trying to find the right solution for you. Yes, am I selling you something? Yes, but I'm also trying to find the solution for you. whatever you want is what you want. But I do like to try to tell people to think about a different unit than they're thinking about. You know, some people come in here for scooters like, hey, come check out this power chair first.
Right.
Just like you want a power chair, I showed you some scooters. You might like the scooters, and we can show you those too if you like. But I think this is the right one for you.
And it's a pretty good size for my long legs. That's what I was worried about.
Everyone's different sizes. Someone can be 5'6", short-legged or long-legged.
Right.
This is one reason why I love the Jazzy Ultralight is the depth, the seat depth. It's really important, especially with long-legged people or taller people. If you get something with the smaller seat, you're going to feel cramped in it. I'm just telling you.
I did when I sat in that one. I felt like it wasn't long enough.
Right. Now, for Louie, it's no big deal.
Yeah.
For me, it's a big deal. I'm just
This footrest, what I was telling her earlier, can be a pro and con. Con, if you're going to be using this inside the house and you have a tight, confined house, this might not be the unit for you. We do have a good comparison video of this one and the carry-on GP130. That's what Louie's actually in right now. She can sit. Can you sit like this at a ball field for at least an hour?
Yeah. I felt like I could.
Well, I would hope so.
I have a walking stick with a seat on it. I take that to the ball field.
And you can
sometimes.
sit on that.
Yeah,
This is a
that's
lot
better
more
than
comfortable
sitting
than
in the
this.
bleachers.
Oh, yeah. See how this folded up? Her legs and her calves aren't hitting the back of this. Some fold-up chairs just fold up like this. Put your legs back up here. How does that feel?
Not it's in the way of my legs being comfortable.
Right. If this was all that, some chairs, that's all they do. This one gives you the extra fold in.
And now it's not in my way.
So much better.
Yeah. And if
So
I go
much
to
better.
get up, I won't feel like I'm going to fall because that folds up.
Yep, and you know what else this is good for is if you are using this in your house because you have this and you do have really tight turning, this foot plate is long and nice for that reason, bigger feet.
Yeah.
But if you get into a position where you need to make the tight turn, you can fold this up to get out of that bathroom, small bathroom or small living room, bedroom, whatever you may be in. So this is a big upgrade. I love that. And everyone knows if you watch this, if you watch more of our videos, this one fold and locks. Makes it really easy for lifting and loading. Quick disconnect. Some of them you have to twist the knob. This one's right here. So flying,
okay.
you take this off, take that off, fold it up. I say leave it unfolded. There is travel bags if you do want to put it in the travel bag, but this is the safest way to fly. Take the battery out, take this off, take this on the airplane with you. There's a battery bag for this too that would carry this stuff in there.
by the way, our video that just released an hour ago is on the travel bag.
Yep, we did a really good video with a customer that was in the store, and she had it for 6 months. I said, hey, how do you like it? She loved it. I said, do you want to do a video? She said, sure. She was awesome. She loves it. She has a caretaker that takes her places, and she loves it. So I take Louie places in this, and I love grabbing it, unfolding it, going into the restroom, back out. It's just, you just don't even know. You don't know till you buy the wrong one.
The back is more comfortable than I thought it would be.
Yeah, so
It
they,
really is.
yep, the mesh back is going to be a lot
Yeah.
cooler too, especially if your grandson's playing travel ball or whatever he's playing this summer, or you're going somewhere. You're going to like this breathable material. Cup holder, phone, put your phone in there. The one thing it does lack, and I tell people, is storage. No storage. We do have a bag that can go in the back of this. You can make a bag work on these. You got to think outside the box. If you do want a bag, we do have them. Put the bag on here and screw this back through the bag so it
Right.
stays on better.
Right.
No one can steal it. Then if you go
Right.
through TSA, you can't. It's not. They say, is it removable? No.
Right.
But yeah, Jazzy Ultralight. All right, pop quiz. Who wants to answer the quiz? I'll give y'all both a chance. What if you were folding this up? What was the First thing you would
take
do.
out the seat cushion so it doesn't get folded in it,
why?
because that's the right way to do it.
Yep, and because it locks. That's a good job. So, that or the battery. The
That
battery,
would be the
this could
first
be
thing.
first, because if this locks, it makes it harder to unfold. And if it does lock with this in it, just swivel it out. Very easy. Oh, I didn't show you this. If you do need it to transfer, there is a no-no with a lot of these units, especially with this one and a lot of them that have the joystick. Don't put your hand here.
Right, because I can break it.
Right? Put your hands here.
So armrest for a reason.
Correct. And they do make arm. We do have some pads for this too. So if you're looking at this, or if you have one, if you need more padded arms, we do have them.
There's a big difference in the seats. This one for somebody that's tall, to me, there's not enough leg room, and this one it's wider also. Not that I need it, but it's wider and gives you more. It gives a tall person more leg room, and
Yep.
it's more comfortable than that because I have more leg room.
And you know what's cool about you saying that, and what people need to know? This is the Carbon 27 or Jazzy 27. So this is a new one that came out. 27 pounds, 33 pounds. But I don't want people to fall for the lightest weight. Don't buy the lightest weight. We did a great comparison video with this one. That we had like 4 of them. If you can handle 33 pounds, go with a Jazzy Ultralight. If you can't, then maybe the 27 is the way to go. But you lose on the wheel size, are a lot smaller on the Jazzy
Yeah,
Carbon. This was a lot better outside, more seat depth, makes it more comfortable. This one's the twist off, which is not the end of the world, but this one's
Just
faster,
snap.
quick.
Yeah.
So I'm glad you pointed that out. And then this has the foot plate that comes straight up.
But it doesn't fold in.
It doesn't fold in.
Yeah. Big
So don't
difference.
buy the lightest weight unit on the market.
Looks can be deceiving, so actually walk into a store and try it out for yourself.
Yep, we do promote shopping local if you have a good local dealer. Some of y'all don't have it. You can always call us 803-926-2224. If you happen to have a good local dealer, it gives you a good price, buy from them. If you are a local dealer and want us to feature you on our YouTube channels, just reach out to us. We have a new dealer page coming on our new website that is really cool once it launches. I'm also going to talk to her about the Airlux 2, which is a cross fold. It's a cross fold. This is a fold down. That's the
Right.
difference. So Travel Buggy makes this. Pride Mobility makes this unit.
Okay.
Travel Buggy came out with the Airlux a while back. It was smaller. I did not like it, but it was lighter and it offered the cross fold feature, which is a big deal for some people, probably not y'all. What that is folds up like your manual wheelchair.
Oh, yeah.
That I know you don't like. She
Yeah.
doesn't want anything like a manual wheelchair, and that's just something for some people. They might need this folding design, where the Jazzy Ultralight is what they call a fold down unit,
That's how.
as long as you can
fold.
lift like that. Which one do I like better? Probably this one.
I'm gonna say this one because I don't want one that folds like that. And this one to me doesn't look so much like a wheelchair like that one does.
Yeah, and that's fine. And again, I mentioned, everyone's different. So this might be a good feature for you, the cross fold and the foot plate compared to the footrest. But they're both carbon fiber and they both look good. And the major thing that I like about fold-up units that I'm looking for is this up here, Bobby and Anna. See the wheels? They're the same.
Yeah.
They're bigger than some of the fold-up power chairs
Yeah,
on the
they are.
market. They also have suspensions. This one has a frog suspension. This one has this suspension. That's important, especially going to the ball fields. The
Yeah.
other thing about the fold-up power wheelchairs, first of all, they're extremely easy to travel with, is if you get to a position where you get stuck and you're able to get out of it, or if you're with someone, both of them are easily able to be put into free will, to be pushed, as long as they're turned off. This one's not turned off. So just wanted to get her on here because you might be like her, looking for something. You're mobile, need something for long distance. You're getting to the point where you want to travel more. You're going to your grandkids' baseball games, soccer games, whatever it may be. This is a lot more comfortable than sitting in the bleachers.
Yeah,
Because
it
I've been
is.
sitting in bleachers a lot of baseball games. I can tell you, well, some of them because I coach some of them, but I would say this is very comfortable. Mesh back, where this one has a different backing. So this will allow for cooler days.
Yeah.
The mesh back.
Yeah.
So if you have any questions about these units, just give us a call at 803-926-2224. 24.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.